Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Noor. I'm a certified holistic women's health coach, and today I will be talking about some of the most common signs and symptoms that you might be experiencing hormonal imbalances that you might not be aware of. Now, there are lots of things to cover, so let's jump right in. The number one symptom for hormonal imbalance is having painful or heavy periods. Having painful or heavy periods is not normal, although that is the message that is being told to us over and over by the medical community. The second sign of hormonal imbalance is PMS. If you experience PMS symptom with every cycle, with bloating, cramps, lower back pain, the whole deal, that is also a sign of hormonal imbalance and should not be overlooked. The third sign is mood swings, especially when it occurs just before or during your menstrual bleed. Also, if you're having periods that are less than 2 days or more than 7 days, or you're having very irregular or missing periods altogether, that is also a clear sign of hormonal imbalance. As you can see, all of the symptoms so far have to do with the menstrual cycle, and that is not a coincidence. Your body is sending you clear messages with every cycle that something is not quite right and needs to be addressed. Now, other signs of having hormonal imbalance are having unstable blood sugar levels, low libido, having a high anxiety, acne breakouts, and also experiencing cold hands and feet. If you recognize yourself in any of these symptoms, please let me know in the comments below. A lot of these symptoms, unfortunately, are quite common, and you are not alone if you are experiencing any of these. So many women experience these symptoms on a daily basis and are silent about it. But what I have come to realize is that none of these symptoms are normal and should definitely not be overlooked. You should be your own health advocate. Even if your doctor tells you everything looks fine, listen to your gut feeling. Seek further help, get a second opinion, get further testing done, or work with a women's health coach just like myself or with a nutritionist. There's so much that can be done naturally to reverse your symptoms. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will be going over some of the natural ways that we can help our hormones heal and get back into balance. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.